Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are safe at home and you are doing well at home, right, children? Don't go outside, children. Stay home and stay safe. Now, coming to the class. From the previous class, what you have learned, children? From part 2 of chapter 3. What is our chapter 3? Multiplication of numbers. Children, tell me what you have learned from the previous class. Very good. We discussed about multiplication of a 3-digit number by 3-digit number and 2-digit number and estimation of product also. Am I right, children? Yes. In this class, means part 3 of chapter 3, we are going to learn about board problems on multiplication. Yes, yeah. Before going to take board problems, I want to explain about keywords of multiplication. Before that, children, tell me what are the keywords for addition? Very good. Keywords for addition are together, in all, total. And similarly, what are the keywords for subtraction, children? Yes, left, balance, remaining, how much more, how much less, greater, lesser than, greater than. All these are the keywords for subtraction. Now, we will see what is the keyboard for multiplication. We use that keyboard while solving word problems. So, keyboard for multiplication. So, keyboard for multiplication. That is a simple, children. Giving one thing and asking for more things. Giving one thing cost and asking for more things is the keyboard for multiplication. Then we have to take multiplication. What is the symbol of multiplication? Into. So then we have to take into multiplication. Giving one thing and asking for more. Giving one and asking for more means we have to take multiplication. Reverse, giving more things and asking for one means we have to take division. Later we will discuss. Now we have to concentrate on this keyword, that is giving one thing and asking for more things means we have to take multiplication. For example, cost of a pen is 10 rupees. Cost of a pen is 10 rupees. Then find the cost of 7 pens. Okay, here once read the problem. Cost of a pen is 10 rupees. Then find the cost of 7 pens. So here cost of 1 pen is given. A means 1. 1 pen is given, that is 10 rupees. Giving 1 means one thing is given, and asking for 7 pens means more pens. Am I right, children? Giving 1 pen cost and asking for more pens cost. Then what we have to do? How do you get answer? We have to take multiplication. So now 7 pens cost is equal to 10 rupees into 7. 10 sevens are 70 rupees. So what is cost of 7 pens? 70 rupees. So here we have to take the multiplication. So this is the keyword. Giving one thing and asking for more things means we have to take the multiplication. Now I am going to take our textbook word problems, children. Yes. Yes. Now look at this word problem, children. This is from revision exercise, page number 126. So what is the word problem? Read everyone. If a school charges 1285 rupees as bus fees for 1 month, then find out the amount for 3 months, 6 months and 9 months. So this is the problem they have given. So before going to solve a word problem, we have to follow the 5 steps. What are those? The first one is read the problem carefully, and second one is underline the keywords, means noun things, unknown things, and third one is find out the operation, and fourth one is solve the problem, and fifth one is verify the answer. These are the 5 steps we have to follow. So first, what is the first step? Read the word problem carefully. Everyone repeat after me. If a school charges 1285 rupees as bus fees for 1 month, then find out the amount for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. Okay children? So what is the bus fees? Transport fees of a school for 1 month. For 1 month, how much they are collecting? School is collecting 1285 rupees as bus fees for 1 month. And so this is 1 month bus fees. And what we have to do now? What we have to find out? They are asking, check the question, find out the amount for 3 months, 6 months and 9 months. They are asking us to find for 3 months, 6 months and 9 months. Giving for 1 month and asking for more months. Means 3 months, 6 months and 9 months. What we have to do now? What operation we have to use? Multiplication. So take multiplication and solve this problem. So first write down the solution. Statement 1. So statement 1 you will get from sentence 1 only. What is the sentence 1? If a school charges 1285 rupees as bus fees for 1 month. So what is bus fees for 1 month? Very good. 1285 rupees. Bus fees for 1 month. So this is the first statement. Bus fees for 1 month. How many rupees? How much that? Rupees is symbol. 1285 rupees. Bus fees for 1 month is 1285 rupees. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the amount for 3 months, 6 months and 9 months. Okay, so first find out for 3 months. So the next statement is bus fees for 3 months. How do you get? Giving for 1 month and asking for 3 months. Giving 1 and asking for more means we have to take multiplication. So take multiplication, that is 1285 rupees into 3. Okay. I am taking here multiplication. Look at the board children. 1285 into 3. Yeah, 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24. And carry is 1. 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25. So 5 right here. And 2 is the carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 3 1s are 3. So how many rupees children? 3,855 rupees. 3,855 rupees. So bus fees for 3 months is 3,855 rupees. So write down, therefore bus fees for 3 months is rupees 3,855. Highlight the answer. So this is for 3 months. Problem is not completed. We have to find out for 6 months and then for 9 months also. First up to here note down children, then we will go for the 6 months and 9 months. Note it down children. Bus fees for 1 month is 1285 rupees. Bus fees for 3 months is 3,855 rupees. Yeah, you can pause the video and you can note. Next, after this, note it down up to here. Yes. Next, statements. Bus fees for 1 month is 1285 rupees. Next, what we have to find out? Bus fees for 6 months. Bus fees for 6 months. What I have to do? 1285 into 6. Yeah. Now take multiplication, children. Yes. Look at the board, children. 6 5s are how much? 30. So 0 right here, 3 here. 6 8s are how much children? 48, 49, 50, 51. So 1 right here and 5 is the carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. So 7 right here and 1 is the carry. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. What is the answer? 7,710 rupees. So what is the answer? 7,710 rupees. So the bus fees for 6 months is 7,710 rupees. Again write down the statement. Bus fees for 6 months is 7,710 rupees. Note it down children. Up to here note it down. Next we will find out for 9 months. Problem is not completed children. We have to go for 9 months. First for 3 months completed. Next for 6 months completed. Next we have to take for 9 months. Note it down children. You can pause the video and you can note. Yeah, the next. Same steps we have to write. 1 month bus fees is given, that is 1285. Next for 9 months. Bus fees for 9 months. So what I have to do? Multiply by 9. So now take multiplication by 9. 1285 into 9. 9 5s are 45. So 5 right here and 4 is the carry. 9 8s are how much children? 9 8s are 72. 73, 74, 75, 76. 6 right here and 7 is the carry. 9 2s are 18. 18 after 7, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 2 is the carry. 5 right here, 2 is the carry. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. So how many rupees? 11,565 rupees. Yes. Is equal to 11,565 rupees. So the bus fees for 9 months is 11,565 rupees. So finally write down the final statement. Therefore is a symbol. This symbol is called therefore. 3 dots. Okay. Bus fees for 9 months is how many rupees? Very good. 11,565 rupees. Note it down children. So here the problem completed. Note it down. You can pause the video and you can note it. Yes. Now see the next problem children. Everyone look at the board. In a shop there are 156 rice bags. Each rice bag weight is 25 kgs. Then find the weight of all rice bags. Find the weight of all rice bags. So first read the problem carefully and understand it. In a shop, how many rice bags are there? 1256 rice bags are there. Okay? And what is the weight of one bag? Each means 1. One bag weight is 25 kgs. So we have to find out the weight of 156 rice bags. So here what we have to do? We have to take multiplication because they gave one bag weight and asking for more bags weight. Giving 1 and asking for more. So take multiplication. Have you understood children? So in a shop there are 1256 rice bags. Each bag weight is 25 kgs. Do you know the rice sacks? Yes. One rice sack weight is 25 kgs. We have to find out the weight of 1256 rice bags. So take multiplication, you will get the answer. So write down the solution. So first statement write down children. You have to write your own statements. Children put your own statements. Read first sentence. The statement 1 will come from first sentence only. So what is the first statement? In a shop there are 1256 rice bags. So frame your own Statement children, how many rice bags are there in a shop? 1256. So write down number of rice bags is equal to, or in a shop. In a shop is equal to, how many bags are there? 1256. Now next statement, read the second statement, you will get the next statement. Each rice bag weight is 25 kgs. So from that sentence, how do you frame the statement children? Very good. Weight of one bag. Weight of one rice bag is equal to how many kgs children? 25 kgs. We have to write the units there because weight is measured in kgs. Here no need to write units children, it is just a number. There are 1256 bags are there. But here we have to take the unit because weight is measured in kgs, grams. Okay. Next, coming to the question, find the weight of all rice bags. So what we have to find now? Weight of all rice bags. Now what is next statement? Weight of 1256 bags means rice bags. How do you get? This number should be multiplied by this. So 156 into 25. Okay, now take multiplication. You will get the answer. Here I am doing, look at the board children. This is a 2-digit multiplication. 1, 2, 5, 6, 1256 into 25. So first do with the 5. 5, 6 are 30. So 0 right here, 3 is the carry. 5, 5 are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. So 8 right here and 2 is the carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 how much? 12. So 2 right here and 1 is the carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So for in the second line for 1's place put into, because we are doing with the 10's place digit now. Next 2 6 are 12. So 2 right here and 1 is the carry. And 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 right here and 1 is the carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 1s are 2. So 2 right here. Now take addition. 0. 8 plus 2 how much? 10. 0. 1 is the carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 right here and 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. What is the answer? 31,400 kgs. What is the answer? How many kgs? 31,400 kgs. So what is the weight of 1256 rice bags? The weight of all rice bags in that shop is 31,400 kgs. So write down the final statement. Therefore, the weight of all rice bags is 31,400 kgs. Highlight the answer. Have you understood children? Note it down. So these are the board problem. So here the chapter ends children. I will send you the notes and worksheets children. You have to complete your worksheets and send to me. I didn't receive your worksheets children. I got few worksheets only. So those who did not send, please complete and send to me. Bye children. In next class I am going to start new chapter. Bye. Take care.